We already talked about the benefits of essential oils here on the channel and their different uses for skin and body. One of the most used oils is lavender. Have you used it? Why and how did you use it? Share your experiences with us. Once limited to the shelves of spas, essential oils are now becoming more and more present in beauty products, medications, and even some foods. They are extracted from plants and highly concentrated. Not to mention that today it is easier to find these oils at home. Do you have it at yours too? Aromatherapy uses essential oils for stress and anxiety control, protection against viruses and diseases, and joint pains. And in today's video, you will learn how to use these oils to lose weight. Weight loss can be a slow and even frustrating process. Some essential oils can ease the process by reducing your appetite and alleviating the anxiety from dieting. Bergamot essential oil is great for this, as it lowers anxiety and feelings of sadness that lead to overeating. Besides, bergamot gives more positive thoughts and improves your mood. Another excellent essential oil is cinnamon, which boosts the metabolism and burns more fat. It is recommended for metabolizing sugar. However, it should not be used by pregnant women since it stimulates uterine contractions, which can cause a miscarriage. As we have seen plenty of times here on the channel, ginger helps with anxiety and thermogenic action that improves the metabolism of those who want to lose weight. In addition, ginger essential oil helps the digestive system functioning and acts in the potentialized fat burn. Oh, there is also bitter orange essential oil, which helps reduce appetite, especially when linked to emotional eating. It can be inhaled during the day to reduce hunger crises or before meals to avoid overeating. Peppermint can also be found as an essential oil. It stimulates the brain to control hunger by relaxing stomach muscles, contributing to digestion. If your aim is weight loss, you can also try grapefruit essential oil. It stimulates enzyme production, raising energy levels and body metabolism. Not to mention, it also reduces your appetite and improves fat burn. You can use these essential oils for weight loss by simply opening the bottle and inhaling the aromas directly. Breathe in deeply and hold your breath for 2 seconds, then exhale. You can do it during the day and before your meals. In the beginning, it is recommended to do 3 to 5 inhalations 10 times a day. If you have any of these essential oils at home, start the treatment right now. Do you have them? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.